we had a lot of earnings this week. I mean, what was bigger than SBI? I'll get to you on the stock, but Amit over here has the numbers ready for us. Amit.
Yeah, Suyash, SBI posted their results over the weekend, and their net profits were up marginally 8%. They stood at 14,330 crores, up from 13,264.5 crores the same quarter last year. Net interest income rose 12.3%, quite a bit of rise, to 39,500 crores, up from 35,174 crores the same quarter last year. Net interest margins were down 12 basis points and they stood at 3.43%. Gross non-performing assets, there was an improvement. They stood at 2.55%, an improvement of 97 basis points from 3.52% a year ago. There was a big change in their provisions for the Q2 FY24, which stood at 115.3 crores versus 3,039 crores the same quarter last year, and sequentially also the last quarter they stood at 2,501 crores. So a big reduction in provisions. Let's look at quickly. I'll just go through their balance sheet, what their balance sheet looks like. Credit growth stood at 12.39% year on year. Domestic advances growing 13.21% year on year. Foreign offices advances grew 8.11%. Domestic advances growth was driven basically by SME advances, which rose 22.75% year on year, followed by retail personal advances, which grew 15.68% year on year. Foreign offices advances crossed the 5 lakh crore mark.
Wow.
So pretty good. Lastly, the agri and corporate loans registered YOY growth of 14.76% and 6.62%. So agri loans grew 14.76%, corporate loans grew 6.62%. Current and saving accounts ratio, CASA, stood at 41.88% as of 30th September 2023. So pretty good results, but for a little reduction in NIMs. Pretty good results as far as SBI is concerned.
All right, Santosh, I mean, good set of numbers, healthy loan growth there, asset quality best in 8 years. I mean, has met the street expectations, if not ahead. But the stock this morning, it opened in the green, has slipped by about 0.5% or so. And it has been a clear underperformer in the PSU banking space. I think in the last 1 month, it's down about 3%. In the last, in 2023 full year, it's down about 6% or so, whereas we have seen, other smaller banks, especially in the PSU space, turn into multi-baggers in some cases. What's the story there? What's the overhang on SBI stock?
Yes, if you look at the chart of the SBI, then there was a breakdown on around 5th of October, kind of head and shoulder formation, but the pattern has been failed, and we saw a strong reversal from 540 level. But the problem is that 580, 570 is a critical resistance zone. If you look at the 580 and 585 zone, it is a cluster of 50-day and 100-day moving average. But I believe it will cross this level. Once it will cross this 583 resistance level, today's high, then we can expect a short covering rally towards 600 level. We are seeing just a kind of profit booking, but I believe in second half today or in coming days, it may catch up momentum from here.
All right.
Downside,
yeah.
Yes, on the downside, 570 level will act as a strong support level. So traders who are holding long position in SBI should keep a stop loss of 570 and hold position. Once it will cross 585 level, we will see a level of 600, 620 in coming days.